we have to find that number. So let that number be x. Whatever number she thinks, the number which she thinks, that will consider x. So let the number be x. Okay, Amina thinks of a number. Okay, so that number be x and subtract 5 upon 2 from it. So from x, according to question, subtract 5 upon 2 from it. Okay, 5 upon 2 from it. Amina thinks of a number. Don't know which number. So let that number be x and subtract 5 upon 2 from it. From this, subtract 5 upon 2. After that, what it is given? She multiplies the result by 8. Now this we got result. So for this result, she multiplied by 8. See, very simple. She multiplies the result. This result we got, that is by 8. Okay. The result now obtained is, okay. Now what it is given? The result now obtained is great. So is equal to, now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought. Which number she thought? X. Okay. The result now obtained is result obtained. So is equal to, obtained is 3 times the same number. 3 times the number. 3 times the same number she thought of. She thought x and it's 3 times. So 3x. So how to form equation, understood? Okay, see, Amina thinks of a number and subtract. Amina thinks that number we consider x. Okay, so subtract 5 upon 2 from it. Okay, we got this number. She multiplies the result by 8. We got this number. For that, she multiplies by 8. Okay, after that, the result now obtained. When we got the result, means is equal to, obtained is 3 times. So 3 times 3 multiplied by x. The same number she thought. She thought that number we consider x. So 3 into x, 3x. Okay. So what we got? 3 into x, that is 3x. Directly I have written. So now let's solve this equation. Okay. So now 8 is multiplied for this bracket. Okay. 8 is multiplied for this bracket. So 8 into x, 8x minus 8 into 5 upon 2. See. 8 multiplied by 5 upon 2. 8 5 is 40, 40 upon 2. Okay, so what we will get? 40 upon 2. So what we will get? 40 upon 2 is equal to 3x will get here. Okay, is equal to 3x. Now what we do? Like terms will take together. Number will move for that side. Okay. So 8x is equal to 3x. Now this number, so we will transfer to the right hand side, that is 40 upon 2. Okay, it is here minus. It will transfer to this side, then it will become plus. Okay, so now see what we will do for next step. 3x is here plus. It will transfer to left hand side, then it will become minus. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 40 upon 2. Now what we have got here, 8x minus 3x is equal to 40 upon 2. Okay, 8x minus 3x, 5x is equal to 40 upon 2. 40 upon 2. So 40 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0. So what we got? 5x is equal to 20 we got. 5x is equal to 20 we got. Okay, now 5 is here multiplied. If we will transfer to this side, then it will become divide. So 20 upon 5. So x is equal to, now 20 divided by 5, 5 4s are 20. So x value what we got? 4. So what it is asked for is the number. So that number is 4. Okay. We will solve the question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. What it is given? A positive number is 5 times another number. Okay. Means 2 numbers are there. From that, one of the positive number we will consider x. Okay. So right here, let one of the positive number be x. Okay, one of the positive number be x. A positive number is 5 times another number. Okay, so one number we have considered x, so another number be the 5x. Okay, two numbers are there. From that one of the number we consider x, so another number will be the 5x. It's 5 times of another, na? So from that one number we consider x, so other number will be the 5x. So other number will be 5x. See, two numbers are there. A positive number is 5 times another number. Okay, so from that one positive number we consider x, so another number will be the other number will be the 5x. It's 5 times of other, na? So one of the number we consider x, so another number will be the 5x. Okay, after that what it is given? If 21 is added to both the numbers, if 21 is added to both the numbers, now one number is x. Okay, what it is given? If 21 is added, so plus 21 is added to both the numbers. Now other number is 5x, and what it is given? 21 is added to both the numbers. One number is x, another number is 5x. Okay, and 21 is added to both the numbers. Then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. So this number is twice of other number. Okay, one of the new number we consider x, so it's twice of other number. So is equal to, we have to write in between. Okay, see, first we consider one of the number x, so other number 5x. It is given in the question. Then what it is given? If 21 is added to both the numbers. Now first number what it is? See, here again I will show you. See, one number what we have considered? X. One of the positive number, that is x. And another number what we got? 5x. Okay, what it is given? If 21 is added to both the numbers, so in this first number also 21 added, and this another number also 21 is added. Okay, if 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the number we consider x. So it, okay, so one of the new number becomes twice. It is twice of the other number. So is equal to, it's twice of this number. Okay, it is 2 times of this number. Okay, so how to form equation understood? Now we can solve this equation. Once you should know to form the equation, then what are the numbers? Then we have to find what are the numbers. Okay, so now let's solve this. 2 multiplied by x, 2x. See, 2 multiplied by x, 2x. Then 2 multiplied by 21, 21 2s are 42. Okay, is equal to, write as it is, 5x plus 21. Okay, now what we will do? Variables and variables, means like terms will take together. 2x plus 42. Now this plus 21 will transfer to this side, then it will become minus 21. So what will remain here? 5x. Okay, now 2x will transfer to the right hand side, then it will become minus 2x. So 42 minus 21 will get is equal to 5x. See, this will solve. 2x will transfer to this side, that is minus 2x. Okay, so now what we got? 21. Now 5x minus 2x, 3x we got. Okay, so after that, see, now 3x is equal to 21 we got. Now 3 we will transfer to the left hand side, then it will become divide. So 21 divided by 3 is equal to, x will remain here, 3 we have transferred. So 3 7s are 21. So x is equal to 7, therefore x is equal to 7. Now x value we got 7. Now one of the positive number is 7 and other number will be the 6. So what you will write? One of the positive number is 7. So one of the positive number what it is considered x. So that is 7. Okay, that is 7. And now what it is, we have to find other number will be. So other number is equal to, what is other number we have taken here? 5x. Okay, so 5 multiplied by x value is 7. So 7 5s are 35. So what it is as, what are the numbers? So that numbers are 7 and 35. So which are that numbers? 7 and 35. Let's move towards question number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. 2-digit number is 9. So let the number be x. Okay, means 2-digit number it is given na. Sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. So let unit place be x. Unit place or ones place it can say. Okay, so let unit place be x. Okay, sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 9. 2-digit number sum is 9. Okay, so which number will be there at the tens place? 9 minus x. Okay, total it is 9 na? Sum it is 9. So one digit is x. Unit place number is x. So what is the number at tens place? 9 minus x. Okay, so tens place digit is equal to 9 minus x. Okay, sum of the digit of 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers. 2 digits are there. Okay, that is 9. So unit place number we consider x. So tens place number 9 minus x. It is 9 given na. So that is 9 minus x. Okay, sum is 9 na. So that is 9 minus x. Okay, so what we got number? See which number we have got here. See, this is our unit place, means only ones place, and this is our tens place. Now let unit place number what we got? X. Tens place digit is 9 minus x. Okay, 9 minus x. Okay, so original number what we have now? We have to write here original number. Okay, so original number is equal to, now what is original number that we have to write? Okay, so sum of the digit of 2-digit number is, sum of the digit of 2-digit number means this 2-digit number sum we have to show. So one number is x plus, means this is given sentence meaning we have to write original number, plus now this number is at tens place, this number is at tens place. So for this place we should multiply by 10. Okay, so for this number we should multiply by 10 because it is tens place. Now what is the place value of this number? We should multiply by 10. See, if I have written 2 here, what is the place value of 2? 2 place value of this number, it is 20. How you got 20? After multiplying by 10 for this place, this number you got 20. So same way for this number we should multiply by 10 because it is at tens place. So 10 multiplied by 9 minus x. So this is original number. Sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 9. Okay, so this is our original number. Now when we interchange the digits, now what we are going to do? When we interchange the digits, now interchange the digits means what we will see now? This digit will come to the tens place. That will be the x. Okay, and this digit will come to this place. Interchange the digit na. So it will come here 9 minus x. Okay, so condition 1 what it is given? Condition 1. What it is given in condition 1? When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is interchanging the digits. Okay, when we interchange the digits, we got this. Okay, so after that, what it is asked, when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number. This is resulting new number. Yes, when the original number is this. When we interchange the digit, the new number is greater than the original number by 27. What it is given? The new number is, so what is condition 2? Condition 2. What is condition 2? In condition 2, what it is given? Then when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. New number, resulting new number is greater than the original. Means original number it is greater than original number by 27. New number is, so new number is greater than the original number by 27. Okay, so now you understood this. So what is new number form? New number, what we got here? New number, what we got? Condition, in condition 2 we got new number. So let's write this number here. Okay, so what we got this number? 10x plus 9 minus x. Okay, is equal to original number this is x plus 10 into bracket 9 minus x is greater than 27. Okay, now see here, just I have written these all the conditions. Okay, what it is given, see, it is found that the resulting new number is this number is, resulting new number is this number. See, resulting new number is, after interchanging you got this new number, so that number is, so is equal to, it is greater than the original, so it is original number plus 27. Okay, this number is greater than this, so we should add in this 27. Okay, let's solve this equation. See, 10x plus, see, out of the bracket here plus 7, plus plus plus, so plus 9 plus minus minus, so minus x is equal to x plus 10 into 9, 90 minus 10 into x, 10x plus 27. Okay, so 10x minus x, 10x minus x, 9x plus 9 is right as it is here now into 10 minus 10x plus x means minus 9x. Okay, plus 90 plus 27. See, plus plus plus, so 0 plus 7, 7, 9 plus 2, 11. Okay, so now what we will do? 9x will transfer to the left hand side, then it will become plus 9x. Okay, now is equal to 170. Now this 9 will transfer to the right hand side, then it will become minus 9. Okay, so 9 plus 9, 18x is equal to, now 17 minus 9, 17 minus 9. Now 8 will come here, 0 will come, 108, 108. Okay, now 18 is here multiplied. If you will transfer to right hand side, then it will become divide. So 108 divided by 18. So x is equal to 18 6 are 108, 18 6 are 108. So x value what we got? X we got 6. Now what it is given? Unit place is x. What we have considered unit place is x. What we have to find? What is the 2-digit number? So unit place is equal to x. Unit place what it is? Place is equal to x we have considered. So that number is 6. So what is the digit at unit place? That is 6. So what is the digit at tens place? is 36 because unit place is 6 and tens place we got 3. So the 2-digit number is 36. So what is the 2-digit number? That is 36. This is just proof work. For your understanding I have explained you. You can erase this afterwards. Okay, you can erase this. So the 2-digit number is 36. Let's move towards question number 5. Shoboz's mother's present age is 6 times Shoboz's present age. Okay, so first we should know the Shoboz's present age. Then only we will understand to find the Shoboz's mother's present age. Okay, so right here let Shoboz's present age be x years. We consider x. Shoboz's present age be x year. Now Shoboz's present age we got. Now what is Shoboz's mother's present age? Okay, Shoboz's mother's present age, how much it is 6 times Shoboz's present age. 6 times. So 6 multiplied by Shoboz's present age is x. So what we got? 6x. Okay. After that what it is given? Shoboz's age 5 years from now. See, Shoboz's age 5 years from now. So after 5 years Shoboz's age. Okay. So first what we will write here? After 5 years, Shoboz's age will be, how much it is? After 5 years, Shoboz's age will be. Okay, Shoboz's present age is x. So after 5 years it is x plus 5. It will be add after 5 years. Now, present age is x after 5. So plus 5 will do in that. Okay, so we got Shoboz's age after 5 years will be x plus 5 years. Okay, now what it is given? Shoboz's age 5 years from now will be, from now means after 5. Okay, now it is x. From now 5 years, say after 5. Now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Okay, so what is given question? Shoboz's age 5 years from now. From 5 years from now, how much we got? X plus 5. Okay, 5 years from now, what we got? X plus 5. From now will be, so is equal to, will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 of his mother's present age, 6 years, 6x years. Mother's present age is 6x years. See, Shoboz's mother's present age is 6x years. Okay. Again see, what it is given? Shoboz's age 5 years from now. 5 years from now. Now present age is x. 5 years after that, from now means plus 5. So what we got? X plus 5. Okay. So that we have taken here x plus 5. Okay. Will be. So it will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Mother's present age is 6x years. Okay. So 1/3 of 6x. Now let's solve this equation. X plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of means 1/3 of means multiplication 6x. Okay. So x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 into 6x. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So what we got here? See here, what we got? X plus 5 is equal to 2 into 1, 2x. Okay, is equal to 2x. Now x is here plus. If we will transfer to this side, then it will become minus. So 5 write as it is 2x minus x. So 5 is equal to 2x minus x means 1x. So 2 minus 1, 1. So what is remain? X. So x is equal to 5 we got. Okay, therefore x is equal to 5. So X, what we consider, whose age we consider? Shobha's present age is X years. So Shobha's age, how much we got? X. So what it is asked? What are their present age? So Shobha's present age is equal to X, that is considered X. So what we got? X value we got 5, that is 5 here. Okay, so after that what we have to find? What are their present ages? Means mother's age also we have to find. Shobha's mother's age is 6x. 6x. So 6 multiplied by x value, it is 5. So 30. Okay, right here years. Okay, so Shobha's present age is 5 years and Shobha's mother's age is 30 years.